Hello friends, today we will complete our cotter joint assembly. First, I just need to justify that dimension we have made in parts is not 30, it's 35, it's 34. Okay, I made that change here. Okay, it's 34. Okay, then go to file, make assembly from part. Okay, then select socket, and if you need it to be in the center of the assembly, just click OK. Then insert component, select spigot, it will go, and if you need that tab be continuous with you, just click on that bin, select cotter, and you finished, click OK. Now I inserted all the components because they are just 3. If you have more components, don't insert them all in once. Okay, to be clear to you. Okay, I want that cylinder be concentric with that cylinder. What I made is I want that face be coincident with that face. I click that face, then made a rotation, then pressed Ctrl K, then select that face, and the pop-up here you select coincident. And now because we have made all the sketches on the front plane, you will find that face coincident with that face. Now to the cotter, I want that face, selected it, okay, then rotate, then Control key, then select that face, then coincident, okay, again I want that face, control that face, coincident. The last mate is I want that face rotate to be coincident with that face. Okay, this now it looks nice and our assembly is finished. I hope that you liked the tutorial, and again, don't forget the basics of that assembly. First of all, when you make that cut here and in the spigot, don't forget to make it mid-plane, okay? And don't forget to change that dimension to 34, okay? And see you in the next time. Thank you.